Come on, my side. Somebody with that money gun. Somebody. Come on, my side. Jesus Christ. Somebody help. Somebody with that little wheel or something. Help. He's so crazy. Sting with me. Come sting and win. Come in. Sting and win and make the place light up. You know, see me at plus tax. Me no broke like sperm. The queen no pay tax. Some girl love chat. Where you want lick me for? Where you want lick me for? Can't compare with the queen. Top of top trending, top stream. Grabbing ship on a girl face. You know, see me at plus tax. Me no broke like up the queen no pay a war. If my back has sting this year, darling, I won sting last year. So automatically, I will be at sting. By the grace of God, I will be at sting. You understand me? Yeah, didn't me win sting last year? So, the last year we not have to come up this year. You know, see my answer. Yeah, everybody asks me, if Lang or everybody do not invite me to sting, all I do, I get a parachute and land off from my house top into sting. How many times do I have to tell you lot? Sting broke into the earth? How many times must I say it to you? I won sting last year, and if no one don't remember, or they do not acknowledge me, or they do not care about me, or they're hiding from me, I am going to fly off from my house up over Portmore. Remember Portmore I keep, you know? Right from my house up. True. Stay from my house up and see where I go. And so I just going to make a homemade parachute. And I put up that. Me, I get one homemade parachute. I'm gonna get some kite. You know the kite them where they make a Jamaica, the big broad kite. Ow! Sting! Party here with a sting. Then I must go over there and get fat. It's so crazy. I find something that just sting me. Ow! Just sting me. Ow! What's that? Strikes. Sting. One. Sting me. How about that? Sting me. How about that? Sting me strikes. But you need to understand. What kind of sting again? Sting 2023. Party someone sting with that. Whoa. Yo, I want Queenie, you know. I swear to God, I want Queenie. His name Sting and a 40 ear. So, like, why you say that? Blake, why you say that is Sting? That is Sting, a Sting. Oh, a 40 was 40 mosquito. Cause of 40 ears. So 40 sting in me I get. That's funny. 40 years of sting and we have perform. Yeah, mega perform. What do you mean? Strikes. So I tell him, sir, You never ask me if me I got sting. Some say, then I me win sting last year. There's no if, but, nor maybe. I am the queen. I took the button last year. So I have to go and give her the button. Don't. And if they don't want to give me to give back the button, yeah? And they don't invite me, I'm just gonna get a parachute, a homemade parachute. Parachute, everything, parachute. They could do the parachute, everything, parachute. I'm a land, in a thing, I'm a land, I'm a take parachute fee.
So you need to jump in, Queenie. Yeah, man.
Where two cute uncle them there? Where two cute uncle?
Yo, Johnny.
Call him them and look two girls for them. Oh, no, come here, let me get
two girls for you. Call them on.
My points from TikTok, cause I don't want them banana me for me. God bless. Baby feedings, elements. And that's why my skin a bite me like sin a bite me. Why if I'm in a pause when my skin a scratch me so what though blood? You get me fam? If you pause here. Like some scratch cocky boy. Come here, uncle. The girl don't know I no peep in and peep out. Yes!
No, yes, chat to them now.
I got a barber thing, man, so I look rough, you know. No, you did rougher yesterday. You did rougher yesterday. Come on, where the next one? On the let out the ear, them. I wall up a girl over here. I look on for two girl. Come.
Love the kind of cool.
Then I don't know them take my TikTok and Instagram and text me.
Enough girls single. All who not single about. Why? All who not single about. I'm single. When you really work it out after all is said and done, may I cope good with single life after my function. Me start function good. I am blessed watching you with all my 50. Yeah, 50. I want you to say, what
for us.
Me not see last part. Me have to squeeze up my eyes with all my son. Oh, yes, Sabbath? A Sabbath, you say? Blessed be thy name. You're single nice. And guess I know. You know, some men a flirt. But the little ramp up with the man, them and compliment them and tell them say them hot and them a bamboo extension. It's sweet, me. You know, I can't play around. Even though I don't mean nothing, it's not intimate. But really true, I married, I'm afraid of fornication. I'm conscious of that since when me divorce. Me I like me I like trust pussy. What a girl fool. Me I got trust. Oh.
You know, go find something else. Maybe I'll message him.
I message you. Can't trust. Me I got do room for and supply within. As he run out, then you run in. As I come to
one charger for you, two charger.
must be empty.